I come from a scientific background. I studied biochemistry, and then I got into dentistry. But very soon in the program, I realized that my real passion was in film. So I decided to reorientate towards documentary filmmaking, and I have now moved to London in the past 5 months. Through film, I've always been interested in humans and the human mind and creative minds as well, and how different people, through their different point of views, can create new things and shape the world we live in. My name is Carl Michael Atiyeh. I'm a filmmaker and photographer, born and raised in Montreal, from Lebanese parents. Photography, I think, is a very open world. It's hard to determine what will make a great photo. What makes a great picture or a great photo is when it speaks to you. What speaks to me is when a picture can tell a story, when it tickles my brain, when it really goes and gets me, makes me question things, or even when it's just playful. When your brain goes, this is interesting, I think the job is done. With the kids, we've had the chance to have a camera for each of them. So one of the great perks of photography is that it can allow someone to express something in a visual way by using their own point of view, and allowing them to try different ways of expressing themselves is a great way to break into their mind. Today we're at the Lyric Hammersmith. It's a great space where the kids meet every Friday. So I have here the pictures that Bailey took. She took a lot of selfies basically with the camera. But what I think is very interesting is that through the camera she started opening up and expressing the different colors of her personalities. Toby is very active and very social. Toby loves to interact with people. It was very evident that it was expressed in his photography, and he was one of the most engaged kids. So he took a lot of pictures, over 200 pictures in one session. He brings out something very pure and genuine out of them. Mira is also a very active and witty girl. And then there's a picture of the sky, very nice composition. And then there's this a bit abstract image of the ceiling with the neon lights. And together, I think, make for a very nice combination.